deactivate. I need to deactivate C4. I'm gone. What the fuck?
Clip this shit.
Yo! What should I do? What should I do? I need color wire, right? As a movie, we need color wire, right? What line should I cut? Yo, I'm gone. There's a fire over here. I'm gone. Check this, man. What is? Which should I cut? Hold on. Should I switch to IL? Should I switch to IL? Y'all mean switch it?
I'm about to clip this.
I'm gonna switch. Hold on. I'm going to you. Okay. Yo, hold on. I need. Feel me? It's a movie shit. Yo, pull up, quick, pull up. Take the game. Take the game. Alright. This a movie shit, right? This John Wick shit. Hold on. Let me ask ChatGPT, is it safe to remove, how does that work? Is it safe?
About to fucking cut the fucking furnace off.
Hold on, ChatGPT.
He gonna Google it too.
ChatGPT. How to ask? Is it safe to remove? How to ask? How do I say? Is it safe to remove what? Is it safe to remove the bomb? I'm gonna switch real quick. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. I'm gonna show y'all. Hold on. Chat, look. Yo, look. Hold on. Yo, look, chat. There's a fire going there. How do I deactivate this shit? Should I cut it? Which wire I'm cutting out? That's some mission shit. It's some mission shit, bro. Chat, see it? Y'all see it? Alright, let's see it. Should I cut? There's only one wire. I got. There's only one. Should I cut this? Oh. Oh, I just deactivate. Oh.
Bro.
Oh.
Firework, is it? He's fucking up his furnace. I mean, he got that furnace.
Wait.
His pilot.
Oh, shit, fire! Fire! Yo, hold on, it's fire. What should I do?
Oh.
Chat, my bad. It is fireworks, yo.
I don't know, bro.
You don't want
that shit is dangerous, cuz.
AMP dirty.
You see that shit?
Yeah, I thought you were joking.
Now I'm on the Clover side, bro.
It's actually a fire.
I'm on the Clover side now. AMP dirty for that. Y'all, they hiding fire.
Active BDB.
Nigga, they...
What the fuck? Why that shit blow up?
It's a fire. I don't know, I hear something.
AMP dirty, bro. They dirty how they did these niggas, man. Everything's on fire. I gotta clip this.
What happened?
I don't know.
Is it good right now?
I don't know. I think so.
Yeah. I'm not built for this deactivation. Is that fire?